Welcome to Drinks Made Easy. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious, easy to make virgin strawberry daiquiri. Perfect so that everyone at your party feels included, from the kids to the non-drinking adults to that guy who needs to maybe slow down for a round or two. To build your virgin strawberry daiquiri, you'll start with 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Next you'll add 1 cup of ice. And you can use fresh strawberries if you have them, but frozen strawberries are available all year long. 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1.5 ounces of simple syrup, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Cap that off and blend until everything is integrated. Pour into the coupe or glass of your choice. And garnish with a nice little lime wheel. And there you have the virgin strawberry daiquiri.